Hey, Gary here with you, day 92. On our journey to day 100 of AI blogging, we're inside a Groove blog. We're taking a look at the post. We have 13 pages of posts. If we were to go to page 13, you will see that there are 6 posts there. So that's about 102 posts if my math is correct. But today what I want to do is jump into KoalaWriter because I want to finish up writing a few more keywords that we have in RankIQ. But our current usage is at 70,000 out of 100,000 words that we can use. Based upon the fact of the usage limitation that I have of 100,000 words and the LTD or my lifetime account inside of Koala, my usage resets on August 5th, 2023. Today is July 15th as we head out to day 100. So I won't be able to utilize Koala in this case study to finish out the rest of the keywords that we have here inside of our RankIQ report. And I have these 1, 2, 3, 4 that I definitely want to do. And I'm going to use Koala Bulk to do that. So we're going to do that real quick. But before we do that, this keyword, I mentioned it yesterday, and I was looking at how large of a solar system do I need? Now, of course, I could always just search for Google. And then you can see that this keyword, how large of a solar system do I need, seems to apply to solar panels on your house, or the idea of using solar energy, which really doesn't apply to what we are going for. So while it is in space under RankIQ, I'm not sure that it's something that we want to do, but we'll take a look at the report. You can definitely see inside of the report for this keyword, how large of a solar system do I need? Right off the bat, the number one keyword, number of solar panels. If you take a further look at the top ranking titles with competition analysis and the highest graded content in the SERPs, you'll see that this is definitely nothing to do with our niche inside of universeunriddled.com. So inside of our reports, or inside of our keywords here inside of RankIQ, which with these individual reports for each of these individual keywords, we are still going to run the bulk mode because you can sort of, for lack of a better term, cheat on the words that you can use or your credits. We can use up more credits than 100,000, or we can go over 100,000 inside of bulk mode, and then they'll just charge us when it rolls over again in August. And I want to make sure I get these all up before the end of the case study. So we're just going to copy these, go back into KoalaWriter, go ahead and click on bulk mode. Here, there's that new project. We haven't started using that. That's optional. Blog post. We want to go with GPT version 4. We want to write a blog post, and we want to enter all of our target keywords. And then we don't have an integrated account. This is if you are integrated with WordPress, you can automatically post. We want SEO optimization to be AI powered. Typically, we would do manual and add in our related keywords and entities and topics per report, per keyword. But there is no way to separate these entities, these topics, these keywords, these extra information, these extra topics that we have inside of the report to make sure that we hit for each report for each keyword. So I'm going to go ahead and go with AI powered. And then I'm going to go ahead and use real-time search results. I am going to include the FAQ section. I'm going to go ahead and show advanced. And then we are going to add our extra section prompt here where we give Koala extra instruction on how we want the content to be written per section. And to do that, I'm going to click on my response manager, and then I am going to grab my blog post section with my 12th grade analysis. That reminds Koala and ChatGPT to please go deep into the subject as if you were teaching a 12th grade high school class, but keep it at a 5th grade reading level. Include key takeaways. I definitely want to do that. Then we're going to go ahead and click bulk create. It's going to open up the article queue. And as you can see here, it is processing this one, creating the outline. This one is queued, as well as the other two that we have here. They'll be queued up and it will create the outline, and then it will write them all in the background. Then we'll come back to the queue, and at any time we can view all of the other articles that we've written inside of Koala Bulk using the bulk mode process. And then we will annotate all that inside of the blog post tracker so we know this was written with Koala Bulk and using GPT-4. And then anything we need to add when we get the final product or the blog post, we'll put it into the content optimizer. Inside of RankIQ, we'll get all of our grades, we'll look at our titles, and we'll adjust as necessary. And then most likely we'll need to add a conclusion. So we'll have GPT, or we'll have ChatGPT using GPT-4 write that, where we'll manually input that information into our ChatGPT account. That way we'll really be using Koala and ChatGPT to combine the power, combine the effort, see what we can get, and also see or make sure that we get it indexed and ranked. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you're enjoying the case study thus far and looking forward to day 100, seeing everything that we accomplished and each day that we showed up and we were creating content, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's update, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.